Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Dual 128GB 6GB RAM Factory unlocked, GSM only, no CDMA, not compatible with Verizon, Sprint, international version, onyx gray. See details that never have been seen before. The 108MP main camera allows you to take ultra-clear photos. Zoom in on your photo to discover fun and unexpected details. Combining three high-end technologies, the camera was made for night photography. The main camera is equipped with dual native ISO. With higher dynamic range, richer details, and professional noise control. With 9-in-1 binning technology, the pixels are combined into larger 2.1 micrometers pixels, increasing light sensitivity by 900%. Night Mode 2.0 with RAW multi-frame effectively reduces noise and delivers ultra-sharp night images.